I've never been trained like this.
Most completed 90 days program. There is a fantastic workout plans by Praveen TTLG. So there's
Hey guys, warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm doing my favorite Isopure Acai bowl. So it's loaded with nutrients, loaded with protein and really yummy. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. So first I've taken a blender. To that I've added ice cubes. Next I'm going to add half a cup water. About 250 ml almond milk, natural, unsweetened. Next goes passion fruit, that's about half a cup. Then goes strawberries, that's about half a cup. And now I'm using my favorite Isopure Protein, it's about 1 scoop. And last but not the least, the must ingredient, avocado, half of the same. And last goes about a small teaspoon of Stevia Powder. Now I'm going to blend all this and serve my acai bowl. And here goes my yummy, delicious acai bowl. This is an amazing breakfast or an evening snack recipe loaded with nutrients. So here I'm adding, first goes my almond flakes. I'm going to share the accessory or the equipment what I use to make the flakes at home. It's super easy. You will find it on my Instagram on the swipe up. So that's the almond flake. Next goes my hemp seeds. Next goes my golden flax seeds. There you go. And last but not the least, some coconut flakes. You can also roast them or dehydrate them if you want to make it a little more crunchier. There you go. There goes my coconut flakes. And last goes my passion fruit and strawberries. My yummy delicious acai bowl is ready. You can top it up with some fresh mint if you wish to.